Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you guys how to use the animista animations. So animista is a website and it has a bunch of CSS animations that you can use, and it's super helpful on card if you want to add a little flair to your cards. So you're going to need either Pro Standard or Pro Plus for this. So when you go to the animista website, there's a bunch of different types of codes and different types of animations that you can use, and it's honestly super fun to look through and find the exact one you want to use. So for this card, I'm going to be using the slide in animation, and I'm going to do it from the bottom. This is for a template for a card that I already have. I'm just showing how I added that animation. So you can update the time and everything like I did, and then you're going to go to that little like bracket thing. And I was playing with but what you're gonna do, you're gonna go to that and you're gonna copy the class. So once you copy the class, you're gonna put it between two styles in like an embed. So like in any code, so you label it, which you don't have to do. Sorry about that. So style and another style with like that slash, and then you're going to copy that in, and then you're going to go back to the website, copy the keyframes, and then put that right under. So once you put it under, you're going to find the exact containers you want to apply the transition to. So each element is given a certain ID from card, so you can label that. So that's exactly what I am doing here. And then so you're going to go back to the card and the embed, and you're just going to change this to add like the hashtag, you know what I mean. And then you're going to separate them by commas. And then once the website publishes and you save it, boom, the animation shows up just like that. So yeah. I hope this was super helpful, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more tutorials, and I'll see you next time.